versus Billy Downs of St. Louis. You're in the hole on that 3. Four, Carson Camargo of St. Louis versus James Petersall of Philadelphia. Now wrestling on that 4. We have the hole on that 4. Zach Rohr of Montrose versus Malachi Anderson of the Run. We have the hole on that 4. Two, Brandon Hodge of Durham versus Dominic Munson of Mason. For the 2. Zane Lutwich of Wasso versus Evan Bushrader of Milwaukee. In the hole on that 3.
Jack, on your head.
Wrestling on that 4, Owen Albany of Parsons versus Logan Salazar of Chester. We have the hole on that 4, Connor Cook of Owasso versus Tony Ingersoll of Local. We have the hole on that 4. Wrestling on that 3, Jason Watson of Mason versus Lucas Hawkins of Wesley. We have the hole on that 3, Travis Lincoln of Montrose versus Walter Wood of Perry. We're in the hole at 3. Flushing versus Billy Downs of St. Louis. Now wrestling on that 2. We have a hole on that 2. Braden Packer of Mason versus Ethan Schottenholzer of St. John's. At the hole on that 2.